Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through the process of importing tickets into BoldDesk. I will demonstrate how to import data, view imported data details, and filter imported files. Imagine a scenario where an organization has been managing all its support queries in an Excel file or an outdated support system. As the organization grows, tracking and resolving issues efficiently using these tools becomes increasingly difficult. To streamline operations and enhance customer support, they decide to transition to BoldDesk. With BoldDesk's import data feature, they can seamlessly migrate historical support data and bulk import existing tickets. This ensures that no critical information is lost during transition, allowing for continuity and improved efficiency in managing customer support. As a result, the organization can better track and resolve issues, ultimately enhancing its customer service experience. To import tickets, I log into the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator and navigate to the admin module. Then, I open the Import Data module under the General section. I select Tickets from the module's drop-down menu and choose the preferred brand for the tickets. To prevent email notifications from being sent to agents or contacts for this action, enable the Don't Send an Email checkbox. Otherwise, contacts will receive notifications for new ticket created, and agents will receive ticket assigned to agent or group. Note the important points you need to consider when importing the ticket's data. The maximum supported file size is 5 MB, which should not exceed 50 records. The supported file formats are XLS, XLSX, and CSV. Tags, watchers, and CC can be separated by using two pipe characters. Use the date, time format for the resolution due. Next, I browse for the file. There is an option to download a sample Excel file that acts as a guide for identifying the columns used in BoldDesk for tickets. Once the file is uploaded, I click Next to open the column mapping section. I map the columns from the source file to the corresponding ticket fields in BoldDesk. If the columns from the source file match the ticket fields in BoldDesk, the field mapping will be completed automatically. If the Visible in Customer Portal, Status, and Priority are not mapped, then the True, Open, and Low will be applied as default values respectively. Once the mapping is complete, click Next to view a summary of the column mappings. Then, click the Import to queue the request. This request can be canceled by clicking the Cancel Import option displayed when the import is running or has not yet started. When the data import process is complete, you will receive an email with the import details, and a log of the imported files will be recorded in the Import History section. Next, I will show you how to view the file import details. I navigate to the Import History tab, where I find a list of all the imported files. Here, I select a file and click the View Details button next to it. A page will open displaying the imported records categorized by status. All the records in the imported file are listed in the All tab. The Added category displays new records that were successfully added. Updated lists the records that have been modified. Skipped lists the records that were not imported due to duplication, and Failed lists records not imported due to invalid values. You can track the reasons for import failure and the download failed records to update and re-import them. Finally, let's see how to filter and visualize data in the Import Data module. Within the Import History section, you can filter imported files by dates. Using the Date filter, you can view data within predefined or custom date ranges. Additionally, you can search for imported files by name and filter them by module type. You can also filter files based on their import status. After selecting the desired filter criteria, click Apply to display the data. And that's it. In summary, I showed you the process of importing tickets, viewing import details, and filtering the imported files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.